Hi, I'm E. Kritikiraj of grade 10. I'm going to explain about types of mirror. What is mirror? A mirror is a reflecting surface that bounces off light, producing either real or virtual image. When an object is placed in front of the mirror, this image of the same object is seen in the mirror. Types of mirror. There are two types of mirror, plane and spherical mirror. In spherical there are two types, concave and convex. Plane mirror. An image formed from the plane mirror are reflected to their normal proportion but reversed to left to right. Mirror. The spherical mirror that is curved outwards and the image obtained from this is virtual and erect. Concave mirror. The spherical mirror that is curved inward and the image formed from this mirror depends on the placement of the object. There is concave and convex mirror used. Concave mirror is used by dentists and it is also used as the reflector of the torch. Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror. Related to mirrors are incident ray, normal ray, reflected ray, refracted ray, angle of incident and angle of reflection.